Hello aspirants. We have monumental news that drastically changes the landscape of medical admissions for 2026 and beyond. The National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions, or you can say NCAHP, has officially confirmed that appearing for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that means NEET, will be mandatory for admissions into several undergraduate and postgraduate allied and healthcare programs. This rule kicks in starting from the 2026-2027 academic year. Here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news. So NCAHP has notified 13 curricula for UG and PG allied and healthcare programs so far, all of which are to be implemented from the upcoming academic year. So people, I'm going to summarize the news that has been covered by Careers 360 over here. For the examination, that is NEET, that will be mandatory for the certain undergraduate and postgraduate allied and healthcare professions. So this reform directly impacts thousands of students seeking admissions into fields previously considered as paramedical. NEET qualification is now required for courses like physiotherapy, BPT, optometry, nutrition and dietetics, dialysis technology, and various other therapy programs. The NCAHP has already notified 13 curricula for these UG and PG programs, and they are implementing all of them starting the next academic year. So if you are a class 12th science student, your study plan must include rigorous NEET preparation, even if MBBS isn't your primary goal. Okay, so over here, this is what we have covered so far in this particular news article. Now, this change is part of a broader effort to standardize and elevate these professions. The NCAHP Act 2021 incorporated NEET as one of the key entry criteria in the notified curricula. Earlier this year, the Commission formally recommended dropping the term paramedical and adopted the more respectful and accurate term allied and healthcare. In another major win for the sector, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, MOHFW, has permitted physiotherapy graduate to use the title doctor, but with a PT suffix to distinguish themselves from medical graduates. The time for separate entrance exams for these specific healthcare courses is fading. The single biggest takeaway for you, if you are aiming for any career in the healthcare sector, NEET preparation is no longer optional starting in 2026. Check the official NCAHP website for the detailed eligibility criteria for your specific course. Your strategy must be consolidated. Like this video, subscribe for the fastest update on the medical admissions, and share this vital news with every science student you know.